AG Labs, my name is Ben. Good morning, hello, welcome to the micro soldering show. It has been a long time since we did the last video. Some days, a long time for me. And today in the morning we don't do a soldering repair. I just want to show you how you can use the purple mode on an iPhone, in this case an iPhone 8. So I can modify the NAND-DATA and unbind Wi-Fi without taking out the NAND. Okay, a lot of people ask me if I can show that, please, because they don't know how to do and the software doesn't work and they just don't know how to realize, and I want to show you that. What you need is a MacBook. I run the version Mojave 10.14.6. You can lose on the new system too, Catalania. I don't know the exact name, sorry, I'm not a Mac specialist at all, but I have a MacBook and I use it from time to time. Back in the days I used it every day, but at the moment I just work with a Windows PC at work because I do a lot of video stuff and things like that, and I have to use ZXW and a lot of other tools, so I just switched to Windows at work. But in my private time, if I use a PC, I just use the Mac. Okay, so you need a MacBook or an iMac or a Mac Pro or something which can use Mac OS X, and you need you don't even need the serial cable, because a lot of people in the last time talked about getting the serial cable, and the world got crazy, and in every Facebook group you only read get the serial cable, and everybody wanted to get it, but most of the people already got the DFU box, JC DFU box C2, and just the original lightning cable. So this is all you need to get into the purple mode, and then just use the JC repair suite to realize the Wi-Fi unbind or modifying of the NAND data. Okay, so I just want to show that to you. I give you 2D on hands camera. What you need is an iPhone. In this case it's an iPhone 8. It's just for example. Okay, it's a fully working device. You need the JC DFU box C2, and you need just a lightning cable. Okay, I have a second one here at my Mac. It's just a normal cable. Okay, so we just start, and it's bad to do it like that, but I try to. Okay, can you see that? Okay, that's just iTunes in the background, and that's not my music. I don't here, Aphrodite, that's kind of my music. Okay, so I would say we just start by getting this phone into the DFU mode. Okay, so we just connect the cable, then we push one time volume up, one time volume down, then we push on the power button until the screen is getting black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we release the side button and push the volume down button until you can see here iPhone 8 DFU mode. And what we do now is just click on the icon to get this phone into the purple mode. Sending diags, done. Okay, and now you see, oh, it's not purple, but it's okay. It's a mode. Now it's purple. Okay, so we disconnect that. We get the MacBook away, and what we need now is just the DFU box C2, a normal lightning cable, getting it in here, and I just need to set up JC repair. Oh, this is world ship. This is not right. We need we need JC repair. Okay. Give me another. Here, JC repair. Okay. So this is the JC repair suit. If you haven't used the DFU box C2 for a long time, first you need to get an update. So you click on repair fitting, and if the latest version isn't on the C2, here you can see just the bar. It says you, okay, I will do an update. You say yes, you can do the update, and all is nice. And after that, okay, here you can see that. After that, or we go here. After that, we just have to go to NAND repair. We take here the iPhone 8. We click here at all. Now we click one time on refresh, then on connect. Port is open, and now we connect the C2 to the iPhone. And now we just click on query info, and here you can see the whole NAND data of the phone. And so that's even no problem to modify the data now. Okay, so that's just really easy to do that. So you can do the NAND unbind, you can change the serial, you can do everything you want, and just without taking out the NAND. In another Facebook group, I wrote, oh, I don't like to use that, I do it by hardware. So what I meant with that, if I take out the Wi-Fi module, okay, in 90% of the cases I don't have to renew the Wi-Fi module. Normally it's just a reball needed. So if I need a reball, I don't even need to take out the NAND. That's not the case. But if the module is really broken, normally you have to take out the NAND for do the unbind. Okay, I'm really fast on doing that because the board is already disassembled and the Wi-Fi is off. So I need about 2 minutes for taking off the NAND, just unbind and solder it back. So that's not a problem. If I use the software, for me, because I have to take the Mac, then I have to go to the DFU mode, then I have to go to the purple mode. After the purple mode, I have to start the JC software, switch to the PC. For me, if the board is already taken out, it's just the same time which I have for doing it by hardware or by software. That was what I said in another Facebook group, because I announced that I will do the video for showing you how it works, and then somebody wrote, but you said you will never use that. So normally I don't need to use that, okay? Normally I really don't need to use that, because if I want to do an NAND repair and the NAND is really broken, I have to take it out. If I want to do a NAND upgrade, I have to take out the NAND. But it's just a nice feature to have, so I can get into the NAND and change some data right on the NAND without taking it out. Okay, so I give much respect for the developer of the purple tool, and yeah, it's just a nice thing. But what I want to show you here is that you don't need a serial cable. If you have a DFU box C2 JC, you don't even need a serial cable, so that's just not necessary. You only need a normal lightning cable, the DFU box C2, and your matching device. Okay, it's based on the checkmate exploit, so only devices which support the checkmate exploit can be modified like that. So, but you don't even need to buy an expensive box like the I don't want to say names now, because I don't want to talk bad about other products. So, but if you don't have much money and you don't want to waste money and to give much money away for a tool which is really expensive, you can just use the DFU box C2 and a normal lightning cable, and it's no problem. You need the Mac with the purple software, you can get into the purple mode, you use the C2, and the JC repair suit. You can download the JC repair suit at jcprogrammer.com, I think. I will give you the link under this video, and the DFU box C2 you can get on unionrepair.com. So I think it's really not a problem. It's a fast thing, modifying NAND data, unbind Wi-Fi without taking out the NAND, just by using a normal lightning cable, the DFU box C2, and your matching device. I hope you like it. It's just a small video for you to start into the week. After that, I just will do a repair video, and today in the morning we just start by an iPhone 6 Plus without touch function, so just old school repair. Okay, I'm out. We see us with the next video. I hope you like it, and if yes, just subscribe my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'm out. We see us with the next video. Here's Ben.